Oh wow! This is amazing. Oh my goodness, I like this. Oh my goodness, wow.
Right. We're just emptying all the stuff from my desk so that we can get it properly covered. As you can see at the moment, it's like kind of a browny grey wood and a grey metal. Oh, we are just about to... It's grey. Girl, it's grey. Y'all don't even know. Here is the marble sticky back that we used. It's called DC Fix, or, you know, I think it has some German name there, but you get the idea. We got ours from B&Q, and I don't think I really need to explain what's going on here. I'm sure you can see we kind of measured it up, and then you place it on and use a large sort of very flat object to make sure you get no bubbles. You can actually buy a special tool for this, but I just used my James Charles palette and it worked just fine, as you can see. The really awkward bit is here where you have to do the corners. Now, we looked it up and you're supposed to use a hairdryer to kind of soften the material, and then what you do is you pull right down as tight as possible and tuck it underneath, which looks great when they're doing it on the videos because they make it look super easy. It's not super easy. We really struggled, actually. I don't know if you can tell here. The back of it wasn't the nicest, prettiest looking thing. However, you know, with a bit of perseverance, you can just pull it back, start again, and just keep it going. And the finished product was actually really good. We were really happy with how everything turned out, and yeah, keep tuned to see the finished product. So what I'm going to be doing is replacing the front of these drawers, and as you can see, I've already taken the handles out of 2 of them. Welcome to my crib. Come in and I'll show you around. So as we come through the entrance here, you can see our fully finished 4-drawer chest of drawers, complete with organisers and everything you could ever need. All from IKEA. These packs are £5. Fantastic value, wonderful value. We've also got these 2 candle holders here just to balance out the look. Glass is sold separately. As we move further around, we've got the large mirror here, which you might have already seen. It might look dusty, it's not dust, it's just... It's... Picture here from my graduation, just to add a bit of something above the mirror and just to inspire me every day and remind me that I've done something in my life. The actual bed itself is one from Next. I'll insert the name of it now and the price of it. So it's got a drawer here and a drawer on the other side as well. I just finished off with like a metal leg here. Nice car. And then I've got the back here attached to the divan by a sliding system that was really easy to put together. So here's my bed. That hasn't, like, I've got a label on it. So yeah, this duvet itself is from Asda, and then the ones at the back are some M&S plain dark grey sheets, and then I've got some fluffy cushions. These are from Asda as well, these shaggy ones are there, and this one is from Next at the front. Just comes together to look really cute and fun and fresh. You cast your eyes up as well. There's crushed velvet look, what's it called, lampshade. This was from the Asda collection. It's like a very similar grey to my bed. And then we've got the side tables, both identical, both with like a salt lamp on, little card, and then both the 2 drawers and the glass top, so it's really easy to clean. As you can see, this area of my room was quite a big transformation. It's probably like one of the biggest in my room, actually, I'd say. Here's the new marble top that we did over, and here's my little jewellery box and a picture of me and my best friend, of course. All my perfumes are at the top here, just out of the way, and also I think they look quite pretty when they're all together as well, so I keep them there with a little rose. Here I've got the jewellery dish, a mirror, a little scent thing, and last but not least, I've got the lights here, as you can see. These were both from IKEA, and they're honestly the best thing ever for doing makeup. I haven't fully sorted out how to keep all my stuff tidy. I've got some of my makeup in one of these organisers, and then this is just like a little grey tub I've got, but everything's just kind of shoved there, and I want something to make it a little bit tidier at some point. For my desk, what I went with was just a chair we actually already had, and then I've got a grey sheepskin rug that all I've done is kind of placed over the top. You can actually staple them underneath, but I decided to just go for more of like a relaxed look, and then if I ever at a later date get a different chair, I can still use the rug. here, I've used a little trick where you use those sticky back things that you can hang stuff on the wall with, but it's just meant that I've got all my cables really tidy because my TV's on here. I've got my light plugged in, and I also have all my hair stuff and female stuff in my bottom drawer, so just keeps things really tidy there.
Turn that light on. You're not filming, are you?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you're going to show us around the bathroom.
No. It's Corona time!
So granted, I've got everything out at this moment, but I just wanted to show the marble tray that I've got from Asda, and here's the little toothbrush.
It's Corona,
Sarah, I'm trying to film.
Bye!
It's like having a child. She's also done this like panel in my bathroom now, so it flows a bit nicer. I'm also putting some new flooring down soon, so I'll hopefully have an update on that. And then of course my glittery toilet seat. And then I got a new bath mat today that's just one plain colour, and I'm going to be getting like probably more of a plain shower curtain as well, so that it doesn't all look so, I don't know, I just get a bit overwhelmed sometimes with the amount of different greys that are in here. It's a bit stressful. Quick move. Go and look at my dressing table.
Oh my god! Oh my god, wow, Ellie! The pooers.
That looks shit! I never really understand how to do the thing that everyone does. I think I just developed a stutter then, did you? Right, so we're going to give you a little look around. Sarah! We're going to give you a little look around. Oh, look at that boot. Does not want to focus on you.
Good.